2 Central Alberta men are hoping their technology could be used to fight wildfires in the future. As CTV's Tyson Vador explains, they believe it could help during any major fire.
2 years ago, nearly 2,600 homes and businesses were wiped out in the Fort McMurray wildfire, an inferno almost impossible to stop. But 2 Central Alberta men think they have a way.
This would, I believe, stop it dead in its tracks.
Several of Terry Raymond's friends were affected by that fire, so he got to work and constructed these water cannons. At full force, they can spout 11,000 gallons of water per minute at a distance of 300 feet.
This system would take about 2 hours to set up once it's transported. If we can get ahead of it and we've got 4 hours to deploy and we can get 20 to 30 minutes running of this line, we know that we could drastically reduce the chances of mass assets being endangered.
A demo of the product shows more than 3 kilometers of hose creating a wall of water 2 kilometers in length.
A wildfire burning out of control in Jasper National Park has now reached critical infrastructure, including the lines that supply power to the Jasper town site. The fire has grown 4 times its size, and with the hot, dry, windy conditions, it's expected to get even bigger. Amanda Anderson has the latest.
This, an aerial view of the out-of-control Chetamon wildfire in Jasper National Park. As of Sunday afternoon, it grew to more than 1,500 hectares in size.
Unseasonably hot weather and strong winds continue to create a challenge for air and ground firefighting efforts to steer this wildfire away from critical infrastructure and Highway 16.
Due to unsafe conditions, firefighters were pulled from the immediate area. Officials say strong winds pushed the fire back into the Trans Mountain Pipeline, CN rail lines, and ATCO's power lines, the same lines that supply power to the town of Jasper.
Critical infrastructure protection measures have been installed in key places, but more aggressive wildfire activity has made it unsafe for ground firefighters to continue their hard work.
Work is beginning to protect it.
These are high-volume sprinkler systems where crews say they act more like cannons. If needed, they can dispense up to 13,000 gallons of water a minute and create a weather bubble to protect against fire.
Precautionary measures for the town as the Chetamon wildfire burns 15 kilometers away.
There are now 8 helicopters, nearly 80 firefighters and other personnel, along with specialized contractors in the national park to help with firefighting efforts.
Now, a turning point.
Current fire size is estimated around 6,000 hectares, and we have about 100 people working on the fire line.
Parks Canada says the fire is still active, but they've kept it from spreading closer to any communities. That's prompted the removal of just-in-case measures like the high-volume sprinkler system.